Forest Academy, Amroha. Today is the best day of my life because today I saw my parents feeling very proud of me. I wanted to become a chartered accountant in my future, so I chose commerce stream as my future. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anuj Upadhyay from St. Mary's Convent School, Gajrala. I have recently passed my class 10th and today I got with the results and I scored 96%. So firstly, I would like to mention some of the great supporters behind this. So firstly, my teachers, my class teacher, Sir Kaushal, Sir Ravinder, Ma'am Pushpa, Ma'am Jasti, Ma'am Ruchi, and how could I forget Ma'am Geeta? She was the one who made me realize that every subject is of equal importance, and because of her only, today I scored 100 out of 100 in Hindi. So I just want to say to all the students who are going to appear for class 10 board exams that always trust your teacher because they are the one who always work for your betterment. So trust me, hard work always pays off. So make your teachers and your parents proud. Thank you.
Hi, I am Astha Agrawal from St. Mary's Convent School, Gajrala. Today, after the result was out, I got to know that I got 96.2% in class 10th. I am really thankful that I had this opportunity to thank my parents and my brother who truly supported me to achieve this, especially my mother because she cleared all my doubts up to my class 10th because I did not take any tuitions. I would further thank my school and my teachers, especially my class teacher Sir Kaushal. They guided me to the right path. Further, I am aiming for IIT JEE. Hope I crack it too.
I am Chaurasia of St. Mary Senior Secondary School, Gajrala. I have secured 97% in CBSE Class 10 board examination. I would like to share some tips with you regarding board examination. For success in board examination, you must strictly stick to NCERT books as they cover the entire syllabus coming in board examinations. You should be regular in your studies and should pay attention to the words of your teacher in class. I am glad to give the credit of my success to my parents and teachers who have helped me in this journey. I hope that these suggestions would be helpful to you.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Alam Magan. I am a student of St. Mary's Convent Senior Secondary School, Gajrala. I scored 97.6% in my class 10th result. The basic principle behind my study is that study until you feel that your brain is not able to grasp more things. I devote my result to my parents because I was always inspired by them of their hard work and their dedication. I would also like to thank my teachers and my big brother who inspire me and believe in me. In my future, I want to become a software engineer. Thanks.
Myself, Mayuri Agarwal of class 10th from St. Mary's Convent Senior Secondary School, Gajrala, and I have scored 95% in board result. And today, I am going to share my experience of study with you all. I never wait for the end moment to start my preparation. I study constantly. And also, according to me, self-study and self-analyzation are very important. And I would like to thank my teachers and my parents who always believed in me and supported me. And I want to become a doctor in future. Thank you.
Myself, Swami of class 10th of St. Mary's Convent School, Gajrala. I am glad to say that I have secured 96% in CBSE class 10th board results. I give the entire credit to my parents, my teachers and all those who helped me to achieve this beautiful result. I used to study 3 hours a day, which helped me to secure beautiful marks in all the subjects. Apart from this, I used to make quick revisions of every subject during the last 3 months before the board examinations, which made me confident from inside. I used to study mainly from NCERT and some refreshers like Eschan, Arihant, etc. I suggest everyone who are going to give their board exam in the next year to have regular studies and you will be securing more percentage than me.
I am a student of St. Mary's Convent School of class 10 and I got 95.6% in my board exams. इसका श्रेय मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को, अपने स्कूल को और स्कूल टीचर्स को देना चाहती हूँ. They supported me throughout the year and I am very thankful to them. अच्छे मार्क्स लाने के लिए हमेशा टाइम टेबल बनाकर पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए और सभी सब्जेक्ट्स को इक्वल टाइम देना चाहिए. And on seeing the present situation, I want to become a doctor in future. Thank you.
My name is Abhinav Jain.
I'm a student of St. Mary's Convent School, Gajrala. I got 95% in my boards. I would like to thank all my teachers, friends and parents. I want to become entrepreneur like Mukesh Ambani.
And I study in St. Mary's Convent School, Gajrola. I got 95.4% in my board exams. I used to give equal time to every subject and give most of the time to my weak topics. I especially thank to my parents, teachers and my friends who gave support to me every time when I needed. I want to be a software engineer and I will do my best for it.
My name is Yash and I'm a student of St. Mary's Convent School, Gajrala in 10th class. My father's name is Mr. Om and my mother's name is Miss Anita Pal. Today I got 96.2% marks in my CBSE board examination. First of all, I'd like to thank my teachers, sister principal and my parents who always helped me and motivated me. I used to attend school classes on regular basis. Self-study and regular studies are two important factors which I followed throughout the year. I want to serve my country by becoming a good and honest doctor.
My name is Vansh Kumar Chaudhary and I am from St. Mary's, Gajrala. My father name is Mr. Subhash Chaudhary and my mother name is Mrs. Rasmi Chaudhary. I have scored 95.40% in my 10th CBSE board. For this, I would like to thank my parents, teachers and my elders for this success. I used to study 7 to 8 hours a day. My aim is to become an IIT engineer. Thank you.
I'm a student of St. Mary's Convent Senior Secondary School, Gajrala. I have secured 95.4% in CBSE class 10th. I would like to thank all my teachers and parents who have supported me throughout the year and motivated me. My next target is to achieve good percentage in CBSE class 12th and to become an engineer.
And I study in St. Mary's Convent School, Gajrala. I have scored 95.8% in my 10th board examination. This has been possible only because of intense hard work of my teachers, who were always there to help me with my doubts and queries. My teachers eagerly helped me throughout the year to solve my doubts and learn properly. I would like to extend my gratitude to my respected principal, Sister Rosina, who always motivated me to work hard and believe in myself. This was possible only because of her blessings. I would like to give two golden advices to my juniors. First, be regular and attentive to school, because school teachers can teach you way more better than any other tuition teacher. And practice self-study constantly throughout the year, not just in the time of examination, because when we practice self-study, we learn a lot more and retain the knowledge for a longer time. And I believe that self-study is the real key to success.
I'm a student of St. Mary's Convent School, Gajrala. I scored 95.6% in my class 10 CBSE boards. I studied around 4 to 5 hours daily. Apart from my school classes, I never went to any tuition class. I only did self-studies. I want to thank my parents and teachers for helping me out throughout the whole year. And I want to become a software engineer.
I am Aditya Sre. I am a student of St. Mary's, Gajrala. I got 97% in CBSE board 10th exams. I tried to remain constant throughout the year. Instead of piling things up at the last, I only stuck to this strategy. I want to give full credit to my teachers and my parents who helped me throughout the year, especially my Madhu, who had been an extraordinary support throughout the year. In future, I want to become an engineer. Thank you.